We have seen the previous concepts of Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0 individually, and now let's talk about another very important topic, which is Industry 4.0 versus Industry 5.0. Understanding the differences between these two industrial revolutions is crucial because it helps businesses and supply chains decide how to adopt technology effectively. Imagine a factory floor. In Industry 4.0, robots and machines work autonomously to increase efficiency, while in Industry 5.0, humans collaborate with smart machines to create customized, sustainable, and human-centered solutions. Industry 4.0 started gaining prominence in the early 2010s, emphasizing smart factories, Internet of Things, IoT, big data analytics, and automation. Industry 5.0, emerging around the late 2010s and early 2020s, shifts the focus from purely automated processes to human-centric, sustainable, and collaborative manufacturing. Let's understand this with a simple example. Our first type is automation in Industry 4.0, where machines perform tasks like assembly, packaging, and quality checks with minimal human intervention. Our next type is collaboration in Industry 5.0, where humans work alongside cobots for tasks like product customization, real-time problem solving, and ensuring eco-friendly production practices. Another type is decision-making, where in Industry 4.0 decisions are largely data-driven and automated, whereas in Industry 5.0 AI supports human creativity and judgment, balancing efficiency with innovation. These differences are evident in various areas of supply chain and manufacturing. In warehousing, Industry 4.0 uses autonomous robots for picking and packing to increase speed, while Industry 5.0 enhances this by combining human oversight with robotics for error reduction and personalized packaging. In logistics, Industry 4.0 focuses on route optimization using AI, but Industry 5.0 integrates sustainability by suggesting eco-friendly transport options alongside human planners' insights. In manufacturing, Industry 4.0 enables mass production, whereas Industry 5.0 allows mass customization without compromising efficiency. A real-life case study demonstrating this transition is Bosch's smart factory in Germany. Initially, Bosch implemented Industry 4.0 technologies like automated assembly lines and IoT-enabled monitoring around 2015. This improved production speed and reduced errors by around 30%, but it lacked flexibility for customization and worker engagement. By 2021, Bosch started integrating Industry 5.0 principles, introducing collaborative robots, AI-assisted planning, and AR-based training. Post-implementation, Bosch reported a 25% increase in production flexibility, a 20% reduction in energy consumption, and improved employee satisfaction, showcasing the added human-centric and sustainable benefits of Industry 5.0. Now, to make it even clearer, here's a comparison table of Industry 4.0 versus Industry 5.0. So, we simply seen that Industry 4.0 and 5.0 are part of the same industrial evolution, but with distinct priorities. Industry 4.0 maximized efficiency through automation, while Industry 5.0 brings humans back into the center, enabling creativity, personalization, and sustainability. In a nutshell, Industry 5.0 doesn't replace the achievements of 4.0, it enhances them by making supply chains and factories smarter, more flexible, and more human-friendly. Hopefully, you found this comparison insightful, and now you understand the practical differences and benefits of adopting Industry 4.0 versus Industry 5.0. That's amazing learning I believe you have today. And it's a concept that will shape the future of manufacturing and supply chain management globally.